a feminist favorite line to use on me. Is one man's a pedophile, not all men are. That's what you want to say about all women are like that. Even with a related female, you know, they'll say something like that. I'll be like, well, I'll even say to related females, how many men did you want to falsely accuse? Because he wasn't trying to make your life a better living situation. And he was willing to make another woman's life a better living situation. Everyone, regardless of sex, has the ability to be evil like that. Everyone. The only reason why females condone that behavior is a simple fact of life. They condone it because shit costs money. This is just a half a gram. 25 bucks. This half a gram, I got it 4 days ago. And it's still pretty much fucking full for half a gram. I've been token on this. And red's the highest volume you can get to make this turn into smoke faster, or mist. It doesn't even feel like smoke, it feels more like a mist. Now this stuff, there's some grams of this, only costs 25 bucks. Then there are grams that are better quality than this. This one was 25 bucks. This one was given to me. Someone else bought it for me because they know I like to still dab around. Every once in a while, someone will buy me some actual weed. I'll smoke it still, yeah. But I'm more into this stuff now, but I don't like the misty part of it. One of the reasons why I'll still smoke this, still make joints. I like this because it's one-handed, and I mean, can't carry this around in public just so I can smoke this in public. That's not gonna look good. And then doing this in public, no, that's not gonna look good. But this, everybody thinks I'm just fucking vaping. It's when I hold in. You notice how much not a lot came out. I mean, I know if I quit doing this and this for a good 6 months, I'll start getting half of this. But then I don't want to be lugging around fucking an ounce. That's gonna last me about a month. But I can have about 5 or 6 of these. They'll last longer, and the high will be a little bit more effective. But anyway, females tend to shut the fuck up after I say that one last bit of peace. Innocent man gets sent to prison, all because she falsely accused him for the simple fact that she's seeing him making another female's life living situation better. All of them. They all shut the fuck up. Sometimes they'll delete the video if they can't delete the comments. Or they'll have the video reported because they don't want people to see what I said. Me being shadow banned, that I don't give a fuck about that. At some point, somebody is gonna watch this video, hear what's said. I don't even get pissed anymore if a channel gets taken down or if an account gets removed, banned. I mean, feminists couldn't hide it anymore. They had to make the switch. They're not talking about feminist problems so much anymore. They're talking about men's issues. I'm seeing more female channels speaking on men's issues than I am seeing men speak on it. Now, I'm pretty sure they are, but they're being shadow banned. They're trying to keep the men disconnected from each other while connected to the very thing that wants to put us in prison or in some other fucking place in society. Man, I never wanted to use my brains for anything fucking. I wanted to be a hardworking person for the rest of my life. I only wanted to use this enough to get me by in life and use my body to help me get all the other shit I wanted. But that all changed. I'm still getting used to the change, and it's 20 plus years later. On top of that, I got to get used to all the other people, you know, who experience life a different way, different, you know, I mean, none of them really experience life because they grew up online. They grew up with a camera in their face. I, I mean, yeah, I do like to enjoy being sarcastic. You know, I mean, why? I can't live a certain lifestyle anymore. I mean, yeah, I'm educated enough to know how to use the internet somewhat, the devices somewhat. There are people who actually grew up on this. I'd probably get hired to do whatever type of job it is for the tech part of the world that's needed to be done before they would. I'm not trying to brag, just I mean, before my other two channels got taken down, I did admit to being a little fucking not there in the head, as in like a educated sense. Logically, I'm there, but as for being educated and making a better place to live, the only way I can improve on doing that is sticking to my own, minding my own. Look at I'm in a backyard, my own space, not in the neighbor's bullshit, not in that neighbor's bullshit. I mean, I'm not even talking loud right now, and I know neighbors on the other side can hear what the fuck I'm saying. Neighbors on the other side of the street can probably hear what I'm saying too. I mean, there are days here I was just recording, not really saying anything. You could hear the neighbors fucking 6 houses down. I mean, it really does sound loud when the neighbors are really talking loud, though. Sounds like they're yelling around. But yeah, I really didn't like the fact that I had to dog sit. No, it just I did. I didn't like certain shit being confirmed when I'm home alone. That's what I'm saying. I don't hate dogs. I don't hate cats. But I'm usually home alone. Um, I'll hear things. I'll play it off like, fuck it. But when I had to dog sit, them fuckers were out in the living room. You know, little fucking thing they heard there, fuckers. Just one of them was sitting right by the bedroom door, just whimpering away, fucking shaky. I don't know if it's a new one or if it's something that's always been following me since for as long as I can remember. That's all I know. And that's part of the reason why I also like being solitary too. But anyway, I like to think that the Earth is round, but the sphere is flat.